So, people say that you really can't call the market, right? Well, they're wrong. This is what we do here each and every day based upon my analytics and the work that I put in, right? So we saw the S&Ps get down to that 38.83 level, 38.84. The big number was 38.80. We had a big buy divergence on the weekly. I was calling for a big rally here off the weekly charts, and boy, oh boy, did we get it. We got a bounce of about 120 handles off the S&P low. NASDAQ exploded about north of 300. Dow was up about 500 yesterday. So really it was all based upon technicals, right? And of course, once the technicals kicked in, short covering rallies fueled the market. We just got a high of above 4,006. My second target on the S&Ps is the 40.10 to 40.50 range, 40.40 range. Again, either way, we'll see what comes out today. The Federal Reserve Chairman is going to speak. God knows what he's going to say. But overall, we had a monster day yesterday. We had big buy reversals. We had phenomenal patterns of great correlation strategies kicking in. We had great moves in Bitcoin, in all the foreign exchanges, all the big stocks, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, Boeing, Goldman. We caught them all. Square, Roku. Look at everything. We had nothing but big buy reversals, and everybody just sat back and we rode the wave up. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Come join me each and every day. Let me teach you what I have built here and what I can help change your life.